this is how you would draw a dropper bottle, dropping bottle, and also the glass stirring rod. These three items are least drawn in any diagrams, but for the purpose of drawing it, we will just draw it as it is. Okay, so drawing the dropper bottle first. Let's try and see. Yep. Okay, it's just the same thing as well. Okay, and of course we will have rectangle up here as it is. All right. Okay, now I have drawn it a little bit too big, so what I'm going to do, okay, so this is the dropper bottle here. I've drawn a little bit too big, so what you should do, again, your eraser comes in handy. Okay, just extend this a little bit more so that it does make sense when people see it. Okay. Of course, you have your liquid here. Okay, so this is your dropper bottle, and if we were to draw just the dropper alone, alright, so now I'm going to draw in a much better size, much more feasible. Alright, this way. Alright, and then of course you just show a few drops. Right, and this is your dropper, and that's the bottle on your left hand side. Okay, the dropping bottle on the other hand here is very different from a dropper bottle. Dropping here is when you have your container. Okay, I should not draw it as big as it was previously. Okay, it's going to be something like this. Again, straight line, have to make sure I use a ruler. Okay, and then we will have also a tube on top here. Again, this is only just what you see in the class, and then you have something like this. You have, okay, so it's just something that you really draw, but just for the sake of practicing, you know, not really that good, but feasible enough to know it's a dropper bottle. Okay, and of course I'll just draw a straight line over here, and this is your dropping bottle. I mean, it's decent enough to show that it's a dropping bottle. Not fantastically good, but this is how it is done. Okay, and the glass stirring rod, simple. You just draw a rectangle. Alright, and if you want to show how, or if you want to actually show whether you're using the glass for stirring or anything, you can just draw an arrow like this, alright, to show that you're actually stirring the glass rod. Okay, so again, this is the glass rod, and this action is for stirring. Okay, so this is how you do for the three. Very few will actually draw this in any diagram, but it is good for practice.